Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Contacts app and locating the person immediately. Tap Edit because waiting wastes time. Make sure you already have the photo in Photos or Files. If not, grab it now. Tap the current avatar or Add Photo, then choose Take Photo or Choose Photo. This is the only way that integrates with the contact record. Once done, position the camera or select the image because the app crops to a circular frame and you want the face centered. Now you handle the core. Crop and align the image so the face sits in the center of the circular frame. Use pinch and drag to adjust size. If the app allows, rotate slightly to correct tilt. If colors or exposure are off, edit in Photos first. Adjust brightness and contrast because the contact photo will reflect those changes. After adjustments, confirm by tapping Save or Done. The image is then embedded with the contact and will appear in calls and messages. Finish by confirming Save and testing. Call or message the contact to see how the photo appears. If the default avatar persists, make sure the contact is stored in the account you view. Then delete the assigned photo and repeat the assign step because that refresh often clears cached thumbnails. Also sync contacts with iCloud or Google to propagate the change across devices. If problems continue, restart the phone. This forces the system to reload content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.